Today we will cook the famous French starter celery remoulade. Traditional, typical starter that we also have in the school. Very often it's not tasty, but today we will make it very tasty, nice, cheap, and eatable and appetizing. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today we will cook the famous celery remoulade, which is based on this super nice celery, super nice vegetable, very healthy, full of minerals, and you will see it's a fantastic salad if you do it yourself, and if you do it yourself your sauce remoulade, which is very similar to mayonnaise. Remoulade is coming from the word remouleur, which is the guy which help you to sharp your knife, your scissors, your whatever which can cut in this world, because we need a very sharp knife in order to cut this celery first, very fine, and to cut all herbs very fine that we will put in the sauce. That is why this sauce and this dish is called remoulade, celery remoulade, and the sauce is remoulade, because inside there is very fine chopped herbs and very fine cut in julienne celery. So we can cut it manually or with the cook helper, but I will show you manually. You need to cut a very thin slice, this way, very fine. Now you also have mandolin, which can do this now, and this way you put it like this. Voilà, like julienne of celery. Very nice. Immediately you put it in a bowl, and you need to put here some lemon juice. It won't get dark this way if you put lemon. If you put lemon, some drops of lemon juice, and you mix to save time for one portion, 2 portions, 10 seconds, up. Lemon juice, mix. Wow, it's very interesting salad, very simple but very tasty, believe me. So now let's do the sauce remoulade. So remember, the true mayonnaise, it's only egg yolk and oil, and the sauce remoulade, it's a mayonnaise with mustard. You need to make a mayonnaise with twice, let's say, volume of mustard. So this will be the usual volume of mustard for one. So we put a second one for 1 egg yolk. Of course, you need Dijon mustard, it will be better. We need fresh egg yolk, and we whisk. And we add little by little sunflower oil, colza oil, a mix of 4 oil. In playlist sauce, we already have a lot of sauce, so go for them. Salt and pepper, and be generous with salt and pepper for sauce remoulade. Some olive oil, just a little bit. It's not obligation, but I like. A little bit of lemon juice, this is obligation, or white vinegar if you don't have, but so, So, the sauce ready. Let's try. Perfect. And now herbs. As minimum parsley, but it can be tarragon, it can be some chives. You take all the parsley. So now herbs in our sauce. Voila, and now we have a nice sauce remoulade with herbs. A lot of herbs. Now we mix. So I recommend you to add little by little the sauce in your celery. Hop. We have a circle. If you don't have a circle, you have a circle, you cut the bottle this way and you have a circle. And we dress up. Our celery is very good also with, if you want to make it more gastronomic, more day of special occasion, you can add some shrimps, some king crab. If you don't like these products, you can put truffles, black truffles. It's also very nice with celery. So now we have here up a little needle. It's like a needle of celery. We use the parsley that we put inside for decoration. Put it in the oil to make it shiny. You can also add apple, just apple to decorate. You cut some thin slice this way and play with them on your celery. Voilà, you can do the dressing that you want, that you like, it's your moment. Subscribe if you like my channel, put a like. There are more French recipes to come.